Hi folks, in this video I show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A56 or A36. If you've forgotten your screen passcode, password, or pattern, the only way to erase it is to reset your phone to factory settings. To reset the phone, we need to put it in recovery mode. The phone must be connected to a PC or laptop using a data cable. If you do not connect it, it will not enter the recovery mode. Because we cannot turn off the phone, we have to restart it by pressing the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. When the phone restarts, quickly press the power button and volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, you can release the power button. All the phone is in recovery mode. In recovery mode, press the volume keys to navigate in the menu and the power key to validate. Go to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button. Next, select Factory Data Reset and press power button. Select Reboot System now and press power button to restart the phone. All data is deleted including code, passwords and pattern, but hard reset don't delete Google account. After the factory reset, you will need to connect to a Wi-Fi network and enter your Google account username and password if you had one on your phone, in order to activate your phone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.